Hello and welcome. In today's video, we will talk about the Health Canada approval of COVID-19 vaccine and its timetable. Let's get started. Health Canada has approved the Pfizer-BioNTech COVID-19 vaccination for use in this country. The first doses could be administered as early as next week. In a statement, Health Canada said it has determined that the Pfizer vaccine meets the department's stringent safety, efficacy, and quality requirements for use in Canada. We expect the vaccine to arrive maybe as early as Monday. It takes time to prepare the vaccine, said Major General Danny Fortin, who is leading the massive vaccination program that Canada has seen perhaps the first time. Speaking in the House of Commons Wednesday afternoon, PM Justin Trudeau thanked doctors, researchers, and scientists who had been working to approve the vaccine. However, he also cautioned we will see 30,000 vaccines begin to arrive next week, with many more on the horizon. But we are not through this yet. We have got a tough winter to go through, and I know we are going to be able to get through this together, he said. So what happens next? What is the roadmap? Let's take a look at the vaccination timeline. The plan now is to begin vaccinating the general population in the April 2021 and have all the Canadians immunized by the end of the next year with one of the several vaccines that are being under consideration. Q4 of 2020, that is January to March, will see roughly about 125,000 Canadians getting their vaccinations, or about roughly 1% of the Canadian population. The Q1 of 2021 will see vaccination program ramping up with about 3 million Canadians going to be receiving their vaccinations, or about roughly 8% of the Canadian population. Q2 will accelerate the vaccination program, and target is to cover about 15 to 19 million Canadians, or about 40 to 50% of the general population of Canada. Q3 will see the vaccination program completing with about 38 million Canadians receiving their vaccination to cover roughly about 100% of the Canadian population. Please note that this information is based on the regulatory approval that has been received, as well as based on the expected delivery of the vaccine supplied by various pharmaceutical companies. So when will Canadians start to be vaccinated? It is possible that by mid of next week, some Canadians could be receiving their first COVID-19 vaccinations, as per the Health Canada officials. So how many people can expect to be vaccinated initially? As Justin Trudeau announced on December 7 that about 249,000 doses of the 2-dose Pfizer-BioNTech vaccine will be ready before the end of the year once it is approved by the Health Canada. That means about 125,000 Canadians will be vaccinated using the first shipment of the vaccines expected next week. So where will the vaccines be sent? The vaccines will be distributed to jurisdictions on a per capita basis. So each province will receive vaccine doses in the numbers proportionate to their share of the population. That means the larger provinces like Ontario and Quebec will see receiving the largest doses of the Pfizer vaccine. Smaller provinces like Prince Edward Island will receive the lesser number of doses based on the province's population. Pfizer-BioNTech will begin sending these vaccinations to 14 distribution centers that have been identified already in consultation with the respective provinces. These distribution centers will be based in large urban areas across the country. They should start receiving their doses by next week. So what do you think about the vaccine approval by Health Canada and the expected timelines? Please do write your comment in the box below. For more news and updates from Canada and around the world, please like and subscribe to our channel. And also visit our website at www.thehindu.ca. I will see you in the next video soon.